Welcome to Premier Mobility Cars. Here we have a 2013 on the 13 Citroen Berlingo with wheelchair access. In Kent today, so apologies for the quality of the video. We'll do our best. One owner vehicle, Motability. Has done 47,000 miles. Full service history, as I say. You'll see the vehicle is, as with all of our vehicles, is in grade A condition. It doesn't look anywhere near the 47,000 miles it's covered. Drives lovely, looks great. 5-speed manual, automotive conversion, 5 seats, or 3+ wheelchair. Just tip and fold the back 2 seats, they fold down just so, and just tip them out the way to accommodate the wheelchair space. Got the electric winch, extra wide floor with 33 inches and a bifold ramp. Got the alloy wheels on this one, which is quite unusual. It is the Plus model. Comes with rear parking sensors, 4-point securing as standard. Plenty of overhead storage, as you can see from there. Nice spacious vehicle, very reasonably priced. I'll be beaten on prices, so if you do see a vehicle that's cheaper elsewhere, let us know and we'll match it, try to better it. Pop along and see this along with the other 25 WAVs that we keep in stock at Cooling Road Service Station, ME2 4RL, based in Kent, in the Medway towns, a little village called Wainscott. If you're looking for part exchange, we can part exchange any vehicle, doesn't have to be wheelchair access. We'll always give you the maximum possible for your car because we won't retail it, so we'll always do the best by you. It's got a leather steering wheel in this one, along with the air conditioning, electric windows and mirrors, everything you need in a wheelchair adapted vehicle. Versatile, spacious, while compact as well. If you're looking to finance one of your vehicles, then we can do that through Motonovo Finance. We'll send you a quick quote and then you can download your personal details at your leisure and then make the application, get an answer within 10 minutes. If you're interested in this vehicle or any of our other vehicles, give us a call on 01634 716 911, or you can pop along and look on our website, which is www.premiermobilitycars.co.uk. Thanks for watching, hope to see you.